Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for December 11th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. If we look at the coin market cap, we can see 110 billion is basically the mark. That means we are a little bit down than yesterday, around 2 billion. And if we look at the volume for the last 24 hours, we had lower volumes at 14 billion. BTC dominance has also come down to 54.8%, and Bitcoin is hovering around the $3,400 level. So right now, Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap is doing $3,490, and it's 3% down. But if we look at the top 10, we can see Stellar down 4%, doing 11 cents. And Bitcoin SV down 7%, doing $92. Now, if we look at the top 10, we can see Tether heading towards, it is already in the top 5, but heading for the top 3, basically, as we speak right now, being, kicking Bitcoin Cash out of the top 5 and really heading towards a top 3, basically, if we do not watch out. Although, it's still 10 or 5 times bigger. Ethereum is 5 times bigger than Tether. We still see some tendency of Tether coming in from a number 10 place to a number 8 place, and then now a number 5 place. Let's look at the coins which have done well. We can see Bitcoin Private up 5.8%, Ethereum Classic up 3%, doing $4.11, Loom Network 2.5% up, doing 4 cents. The coins which have not done that well are Centrality 14% down, Factum 13% down, Moec 12% down, Decentraland 12% down. Now let's have a look at the BTC USD on Bitstamp. So the day before I talked about a doji, which usually means a uptrend, but again yesterday we had another doji, which means basically a downtrend. So we can see out up here, it has just broken the 3,400 level. I was just looking 10 minutes ago. It was just testing the $3,400 level, and now it's at Bitstamp getting at 33.94. So there is some resistance at the 3,200 level, as you might have noticed. If you look at these wicks, basically 32.12 it's given. So 3,200, if we take a downtrend basically for today or tomorrow, then there might be testing basically the $3,200 level at this point of time. Now let's continue to the news. It's about Tron. Tron founder Justin Sun wants to rescue DApp developers from Ethereum and EOS. So the Tron founder has thrown a jab at Ethereum and EOS, announcing on Twitter that his company wishes to create a fund to rescue DApp developers from working on both platforms on the condition that they will move to the Tron network. So a big move by Justin. Let's see how this is going to roll. Obviously, the dApps on Ethereum and EOS are in larger number, but as we have seen lately on the Tron network, the most used dApps are on Tron, and more importantly, they are in the gaming space. All right, so the next news comes from Ripple, and Ripple says the industry needs XRP and cross-border payments to overhaul, as a report shows extreme delays in SWIFT. So we know for years already that SWIFT has got many problems when it comes to cross-border payments, because it gets delayed or it gets lost or something or the other. So Ripple says this in a report basically on extended payment delays and errors on the traditional payment network SWIFT, paints a stark picture on the importance of crypto, blockchain, and digital assets like XRP. So it's something to obviously look at, but SWIFT is basically handled by all the banks combined. So whatever the entity SWIFT basically comes out with, the payments and the upkeep is basically all buried by all the banks together who are on the Swift network, and basically everyone is. So then the last news comes from Gibraltar. Gibraltar Exchange obtains insurance for crypto assets as cyber attacks soar, basically. So we've seen a recent rise of cyber attacks. The GBX, the Gibraltar Blockchain Exchange, announced that they are having a insurance policy to cover digital assets in partnership with Gibraltar-based Callahan Insurance. So cryptocurrencies hold in both the hot and cold trading platforms will be insured. So this is something really good. Basically, we all know how Mount Gox went. Basically, by having this insurance, at least there is, if there is an attack on a centralized exchange like the Gibraltar exchange, at least you're ensured that your assets can be recovered, although it will take some time. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.